is Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a kind of college dorm redecorating. Coming back, I just want to try something new. So today I'm going to take you guys along with me as I go to different stores and try to find stuff that is not too expensive but can look really good in my dorm, and I might DIY some things. So let's see how this goes. Alright, here we are at my first location, Savers. I didn't film in this store because I hate when people watch me. Also, I'm really scared of like getting in trouble for it. So anyway, I ended up getting 2 mirrors. They're really cute. They were really not expensive at all. This one and then this one. I'm gonna paint them. So I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna try Marshall's next just to see if I can find anything good. Alright, Marshall's is done. I ended up getting a little basket. It was broken, so it was only $2, so that was really nice. I'm gonna break off the other half and be able to mount it to my wall. And then I did pay full price for this little pencil holder, but it said edit on it, and I thought it was really fitting since I'm making YouTube videos, so I kind of bought it. Okay, so I'm back. I actually ended up going to Hobby Lobby instead of Michael's, and I basically found everything else that I need. So I'm going to head back to school, and then I'll give you guys a little haul, and then you guys can watch me redecorate. So I'm back from the store. I'm gonna give you guys a little haul, telling you how much everything costs and where I got it. So the first thing I got are these little canvas prints. They're 5x7. They were only $1.99 at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna ask 2 of my friends to do a little drawing and painting on them. I got these 2, they look like binder clips kind of thing. Can you see that? They were only $1.99 at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna paint them white so that I can put them around the room and clip on like different pieces. I got some craft paint because I'm going to be painting some of the other pieces that I bought. This was only $3, super cheap. Because I'm not an artist and I just don't own paintbrushes, I had to buy a little bit of these 4 paintbrushes. They were $3.99. Could have just borrowed someone's. Don't know why I bought these. Got blue painter's tape for about $4 at Home Depot. I got this basket at Marshall's. It was $2 because if you look, like there's no other hook. I'm actually gonna try to take this one off so I could just put 2 nails right here and here and just like hang them on the wall. We'll see how it works. I'm thinking about painting this. I don't know how the paint will stick, so we'll have to see, I don't know. Then I got this little pencil jar that says edit, super cute. It was $6. This is this was one of 2 full-priced items I bought. I bought these 2 mirrors at Savers. This one was, I believe, $3 and this one was $5. I like the wood on this, but I'm not sure if it will match the aesthetic, so I'm not gonna paint it until the end. And then this one, it is white, but I just think it looks kind of dirty, so I might paint over it just a little bit more. But these were great. Savers, thrift stores, we support reusing and recycling. So my last purchase was a full price purchase. I could have bought something and essentially made it myself, but this was only $18 and I figured it'd be so much easier if I bought it pre-made. So I got this. It's a hanging shelf. I'm going to put this against the wall and it should sit flush, and then I can put stuff on it. It's really cute. $18, Hobby Lobby. If you have parents who know how to do carpentry stuff, I'm sure they could make this, but here I am in college away from my family, and I don't think my family does this kind of thing, but I'm sure it'd be super cheap if you made it on your own. Now that we're done with the haul, we are going to move on to painting all the items and trying to put them up on my wall.